wanna understand what they are doing mentally. Some of them never got jail yet, so you don't know. Mentally, you know what them do? Financially, you know what them do? We don't have no idea how draining these processes are. Do you know waiting on your court date is like waiting? It come like you wait for Jesus to come out of one cloud.
Wagwan people, what are they do for everybody doing good as always? So we're there with some fresh updates in regards to Vybz Kartel and his current situation. We have a lawyer, we are going to basically explain everything down to the T in less than 1 minute because most people still confused of his current situation. You see me? Most people feel like him free, I go walk out. Some people confused whether or not say if them squash the charges, why I'm still behind bars. All of that I'm going to explain in another video. Also, we have a video for showing a Vybz Kartel lawyer basically explaining that they will be applying for bail for the artist very soon. Anyways, and also, we have Foota basically sharing opinion on the matter. Why I feel like the Privy Council do more harm than good to Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. So leave a like on the video, and if you're new to the channel, just subscribe because I don't know, so yes, I want to get the latest. You see me?
Hey there, so you're wondering what's all of this thing happening in the cartel case, yeah? Let me explain the verdict to you as a criminal defense attorney. So here we go. The Privy Council has said that they've quashed the conviction, meaning that Kartel and the others are now co-accused and co-convicts because they're no longer guilty. Alright, so what they've also done is remit the matter to the Jamaican Court of Appeal for them to determine if a retrial is in order in the interest of justice. Now, what does this mean? The Court of Appeal now has the right, after getting a writ, a document from the Privy Council, coming to the Court of Appeal, they will then ask for submissions from both the prosecution and the defense as to whether this trial should be reheard by the Supreme Court, given the fact that an interest of justice is taking place. Now, how will they do this? They will take into consideration several factors like the jury issue, like the time that they've been in prison. All of those things certainly will be taken into consideration. Now, what happens if this matter goes to retrial? Do they have to stay in prison? No. Once they are arraigned, then their defense attorneys will certainly have the opportunity to apply for bail. And of course, again, that is a matter for the court if it ever goes to retrial, based on what the Court of Appeal has said. If it does not go to retrial, then they will be free. What this simply means, ladies and gentlemen, is in as much as they are no longer convicted, they are still in prison. They are not yet out of the woods. They are still in lockups, and it remains for the process to be carried out by the Court of Appeal. Let's see what happens next.
So basically, Kartel fate is still rest in the same hands that basically put him in there. You see me, people? So we still await all of that. It's just that the original conviction squash. So that 35 years to life is no longer serving that. You see me? And speaking of that now, because he's not a convicted felon at this point, Vybz Kartel lawyer Isaac Buchanan and his team basically will be submitting a bail application for the artist and his co-accused. You see me, people? So check this out.
Naturally would have wanted the men to have gone home to their families today. That to me has just been delayed. I'm hopeful that, having considered the written judgment and the tone of the judgment, that our local courts will come to the decision that there is no need for retrial, and it's just a matter of getting to that step so that they can officially go home. I want to remind everybody that, as Mr. Buchanan has indicated, we will be making the necessary applications for the appellants to have bail while they await their fates before the Court of Appeal. And we're just happy that things have worked out. It was delayed, but at least we have gotten to this point now where at least they have a chance of going back home and back into society way before the times that were imposed on them.
So basically, while they await the Court of Appeal to make a decision whether or not they will walk free or there will be a retrial, between that time, Vybz Kartel lawyers will be applying for bail for them. It's not a guarantee that they will get bail, but they will be submitting a bail application. And if the bail application gets denied before the Court of Appeal make a decision and them go retrial again, you still can apply for bail again. That's how it works. But anyway, leave your thoughts on all of that in the comment section. Now we're going to move on, and now we're going to make you check out this live from Foota, basically giving his opinion on the matter and why he feel like a retrial would be worse for Vybz Kartel than the original trial. Anyways, watch it. It's a lengthy video, but you have to watch it to get the full details. So watch it and leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section.
I'm not on the side of the justice system, and I'm not on the side of Vybz Kartel. I'm on the side of reality, what makes sense. You cannot be free and still in jail waiting on the decision of people that you don't like to decide if you get stretched out again or if you're going to get free up. And the people them when I say no evidence from the case can use, you're wrong. Stop uttering that, you know, spew bullshit. Okay? Some people were in the case will never get charged, might end up getting charged if there's a retrial. Want and listen to me good enough. Retrial opens the door for people where never get locked up in the first case, but involve on the people and feel like we're going to blind or who get information will help the case, but they never get charged and subpoena for come to court. No, them can't charge them or subpoena them for come to court, come be a witness against him. Listen, people, we need to calm down sometimes. Jamaican people need to chill, you know, and listen sometime in a Virginia. A retrial is more dangerous for Vybz Kartel than the case before. Someone listen to what I say. And stop move jumpy. Stop celebrate before the final whistle blow. Uno fi chill. Uno, some of the Vybz Kartel fans make Vybz Kartel life harder in a prison. You know that? Uno did know say some of Vybz Kartel fans make it harder for Vybz Kartel can we chat too much. Yesterday me see a man on social media. Me don't know if I clout him or look or what, but you never help Kartel yesterday. The man go up on the something and say, yes, Kartel can this Lowing now and him can tell her if he got suck good and him can. My youth, you now make it easier for the DJ. You now make it easier for the DJ. As a matter of fact, you not fi say Gaza out of your mouth. Come and never see you a different Kartel in the first trial when Kartel just get locked up. You come down in a social media time and look clout off of the man name based on something when not done yet. Oh, you fit do that? How dumb are you if you really love Vybz Kartel? And you see them say, Kartel's fate is now in the hands of the Jamaica Appeal Court. Why the fuck would you go turn on your social media and I remind people say, Kartel just sing a song, say Paula Lowling to come suck him wood. And you, on your social media, say you love the DJ. And I said, DJ, yes, you can tell her, come suck your wood now. Tell them go rate, that cannot work. He's not free. What not do? What not do? What are you doing? Relax. The final whistle not sound yet. Yes, Gaza fans, yes, freedom is a possibility as well, but retrial is a possibility. So a two and up, so and like a one up and a freedom, Vybz Kartel of them had. And the Privy Council had the power to just knock it and say, send them on a yard. They did not do that. They didn't do that. And remember, they are friends with the justice system in Jamaica. The justice system in Jamaica and the Privy Council of the United Kingdom all work for the British colony. They are partners. So it's 3 set of people against 1 person. Who said they couldn't? The Privy Council could strike down the case completely. Them could have struck on the case and send Kartel and yard. Now, him life and him freedom depends on the Jamaica justice system again. The same system where him run from and go to Privy Council. That can't make sense to me. Don't block that person named Buju Sparta, because you're such a fucking dunce. Man said me act like me will want Kartel go to prison. Me no will want Kartel go to prison. Kartel they are prison already, you know. I am saying, wanna stop, want like wanna idiot and pay attention. Pay attention, man. Sir P with the intel. Okay, if you notice, Sir P content them about Vybz Kartel get worse. The closer the Privy Council thing come, Sir P starts step up the thing then. Where man show the world what he might try implicate Sir Kartel didn't this and didn't. We don't realize the timing where Sir P put out them something there, and the timing when the conclusion of the Privy Council will come on and notice. We don't watch them something there. We don't watch timing. We don't see it's an orchestrated move. Sir P now move off a ego or off him own time. Sir P move off a time where he might try show the public at large via the internet say him is a devil and him for staying there. Only now pay attention, dog. But Sir P now work for himself. Only not realize now that Sir P is not a vlogger. How the bomb buckler? So hold on then. So by now, only not realize that Sir P is not a regular vlogger. Only not realize that Sir P work for the government. Yo, Jamaica people, I'm sorry for you, you know. Jamaica people, you know, I'm sorry for you. If Uno sit down here so today and don't realize, say, Sir P is a government agent, but the way of the world now is social media. So then plant him to conquer social media and expose you as a criminal without the justice system. So him can talk and say things where the court can't say. Him can actually talk things based on speculation and nobody can ridicule him because he's in the public eye. Him is a public figure. Internet free. Can't talk anything about anybody. So now if you understand that, one you not understand again, Vybz Kartel was not sentenced for the voice notes, you know. This I want to now remember about the case either, you know. Vybz Kartel was not sentenced for the voice note. The voice notes are actually presented in court to give clarity based on the prosecution. Them are give that for sure the juror say, time. Although it is not the basis of which he was sentenced. So when the UK Privy Council strike down the vice note them because there's no warrant, them never get no warrant to go use the vice note. And not that send them a prison. So if that even strike out of the case, treat people we attack, we need to understand. I know the vice note them send teacher a prison, you know. So now pay attention. So now understand the basis of his life sentence. We're not the vice notes. Them have a living witness. Them have a statement from the dead man baby mother. Them have blood forensic. Them have bag of something. Wally, a thing. So what I talk about, man? We have to relax and hope say the Jamaican justice system don't go to a retrial. That's when Kartel would be free. He's not free yet. Remember good, there are two particular people who were arrested. With them see Lizard after the case started, you know, and Lizard robbed them, you know. Remember, these two people were taken in for questioning. They were not charged for anything at all. How you think them not get charged for nothing? If them lie publicly, if them lie to the police in statements, but when them go in for questioning, them not get charged and them get let go. You don't remember that part of the case there? You don't remember that? Where them there? The retrial can now subpoena them to come to court. Them did have to say something to clear themselves. People using the brain and I use this too much. Wait. When they see teacher road, we celebrate. Calm down on yourself and a street kind of thing are going on so. A high level of intelligence. A great chess them a play right there so. If them don't go retrial, we can applaud and say yes, Vybz Kartel is going to free. But it's still a hope. It's still hopes we're having. We have hope say them not go retrial and let him go. But what about we love Kartel and our artists want to those who don't like him? Want to those who don't like him? Want to the private sector where I can play a role in this? Me not say who a win from who not win. Me just a say, you stop celebrate a win until the trophy in your hand. That's what we are saying. You understand? When the trophy in your hand. I first corrupted case, this is it. Somebody say, they expose corruption. I first corrupted case, this is it. And Jamaica, we are talking. People act like them figure out what we are talking. Why Kartel go to the Privy Council in the first place? Because they might face injustice and corruption. And what the Privy Council do? At this me I try, this a common sense. Him go to the Privy Council for help. Right? Because he might face injustice. What did the Privy Council do for Kartel? Send him back straight to the injustice family. When somebody say what the highest level of intelligence, the highest level of intelligence where Kartel go in the MK is a Privy Council. And then play a mind game and send him back right to Andrew and Paul of them. That me I try to say. And have everybody that thinks Kartel free. It's a dual statement them give, you know. Them say yes, we strike down all of this, but we now read the fine print. We say in order for a retrial to be possible, they have to strike down whether they are ready. So that is opening the gate for the Jamaican judicial system to take it to a retrial. So when I listen the words, them good and understand what the people them say. You understand? It's like them go so, see it here, not there. See that like them say, see it here, not there. Into that, alright. Because sometimes we have to break it down dirt level for people to understand. This chain, see? This chain, right? Say, Twitch, Super Twitch, grab my chain, right? And me go complain to Spragga and say, Spragga, Twitch thief my chain. When me go complain to Spragga, Spragga retrieve my chain. When me go to Spragga for my chain, Spragga say, yeah, Foota, Twitch violate. He broke the order. Very. But here what? You're good to get back your chain, you know. But you have to go get it back from Twitch. And him have it in him hand. Why you not just give me my fucking chain, make me go and me I go? Why you send me back to the man who robbed me if you get my chain and you have it in your hand? Make that make sense, no man? Why would you send me to Twitch for my chain when you agree, say, Twitch wrong for thief my chain and you have my chain in your hand and I am in front of you? Give me my fucking chain. Why would you send me back to Twitch for my chain? Why you gonna send back my chain to Twitch? We already robbed me. Come if we break it down dirt level phone because someone is not gonna ever understand it no matter what me are saying. Exclusive, me like that energy there. Me like that energy there. You have to have positive energy. But I never say, if him go retrial, him not go free. That's not what I'm saying. My statement is, the Privy Council take Kartel for one big idiot. That's what I said. So when you stop twist what me I say, me can repeat what me I say 1 million times. Them take a DJ for one pussy. That me I try telling you. That me I try for no overstand. You don't have no idea if Kartel go and retrial how much money it going to cost him. Do you know say every step where Kartel take to try achieve something and money, a liar, and Kartel not have one liar. Kartel have multiple liar. Kartel have fire liar and change liar. Do you not understand what they are doing mentally? Someone never got jail yet, so I don't know. Mentally, you know what they do? Financially, you know what they do? You don't have no idea how draining these processes are. Do you know waiting on your court date is like waiting? It come like you wait for Jesus to come out of one cloud. The closer your court date get at the maga you get, you know. Come like couldn't have no idea of the blood clot bro. You know how horrible what this do. Alright. Kartel go down and eat enough food. The day when people council judgment for handling enough food at all, you know. Because in just one year so them strike down the case. Uno now listen to the man lawyer say we do not want a retrial. We're not going for a retrial. Remember the lawyer come up and say and a retrial why you know. That's not good for we you know. So Uno talk say, Ray, if the option is still retrial, that means Kartel is still in trouble. There's a possibility say Jamaica justice system can say, alright, free him up. That's a possibility. But it's also a possibility them can say retrial. So why the Privy Council give the option for either or either? So you're going back to square one. You're going back to the hands of the same lion where you run from. And if you don't understand that, I rest my case. I don't have nothing more to say. If we don't understand that, I don't have nothing else to say. Big up on yourself, enough love, enough respect, bless upon yourself.